Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today is a very special day because I'm gonna start renovating my showcase because I don't like this background very much, and for that we're gonna start a project. Yeah. Focus please. Hello. Oh, thank you. What am I gonna do today in the project? We're gonna do the first two layers of this. The other layers are coming in the other parts simply because I don't have the time for them right now. I'm sorry, I don't know what's going on with this camera right now. But yeah. What are we gonna do? We're gonna put something on these walls and we're gonna fix this lightning stuff because it's when I wanna take a picture at night, these are blending very much, sadly, so I'm gonna fix it. And because I'm renovating the first two layers, I have removed all the cars from the top to the bottom. Of course, I have them all carefully put down so I don't put scratches or anything on them, but yeah, let's get started. Okay, at first we're gonna remove these glass thingies. By the way, don't worry, all of them I'm gonna clean. So because all of them have collected a bit of dust, and yeah, I'm gonna be careful with them. I'm gonna just move them for the video over here. I'm gonna move them somewhere else where I can them package so they don't get scratches or damages of any kind. So yeah, but I can't show you that because that's a part of my privacy, so yeah. Okay, next up I'm gonna remove these lights. This is not easier said than done, I think. Or am I gonna leave that because it's on top, glued on top? So I think I'm gonna let this. I just have to do this other thing better. This one I can easily remove. Something about the cables, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them, but I'm gonna think of something, so yeah. So what am I gonna do on this backside anyways? I'm gonna put some posters up because there's some car posters. I have collected some over the time with double-sided tape and then with scissors obviously to cut these into perfect pieces for this. So then we hang them on the wall. I think like 2 or 3 per line. So maybe like 15 or 20 I need, but we'll find out. Let's go. Okay, number 1 is installed and it looks pretty nice, I would say. Yeah, let's go to number 2. Okay, so I tested something out, and first of all, these are the 2 pictures that go with this one in the first row here. But both of these overlap too much, so that for example the LaFerrari would be halfway gone behind the other picture, and since I don't want it, we're gonna cut a bit of the edges from both pictures so it works a bit better. Okay, so we are done with the first row. Looks pretty nice, pretty clean. I had obviously to make a little cut over here because of the lightning cable, but that's okay. Let's put from the first row the glass back in, and then we can go to the lower level, I think. Okay, so for this row, the pictures that I've chosen are from this Bugatti Chiron, this Lamborghini Huracan, and this Lamborghini SVJ. Let's put them on the wall. Light installed. Perfect. A bit fixed, but you're ain't gonna see it just like this one over here behind the pictures. So about this should it be at the end. What a dream. Perfect. Yeah, I had to. This doesn't look very nice in my opinion, but it works, and I'm gonna leave it. That maybe I'm gonna fix it at a later point, but not today because my knees are fucking hurting me. Okay. Now the usual stuff. Thank you for watching until the end. I know this is a very short video, probably not even 30 minutes. 3 minutes, sorry. But thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed the video, I would really hope you could please leave a like and a sub to the channel, because it helps me out very much. And then I'm gonna see you again in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful time and bye bye.